Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at Bodmas. We're looking at the Bodmas fractions. We're on book F Worksheet 1. Not yet. I don't remember. Thank you, miss. Okay, so it's book F Worksheet 1. Let's just pull this down. Yeah, just copy this because it's going under the thing, right? Book F, Worksheet 1. Right. At this point, you guys have answered these questions already, so we're just marking, okay? And we're doing the odd numbers only. The PDF of this paper or the worksheets can be found in the description box below, okay? So where do we start? Start with division, not so. So you'll change that. Let's do the pause here quickly and right, so let's try now. Nice. So you're going to do division first, not so. So it's 3 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 1. So that needs to be done first. So it's 3 over 1 minus 4 going to 2 going to once, 2 going to 4 twice. So it's 2 over 1. So that's the same as saying 3 minus 2, which is? Any confusion there? No. Right. Let's carry on. Right. So what needs to be done first here? Convert that. So it's 125 over 100. There's 2 zeros there. Times 16 over 15 multiplied by 1 over. So of course 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 goes into 125 times. 25 goes into itself once, whilst it's going to 125 5 times. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 going to 15 3 times. So what are we left with? We are left with 3, 4, 2. Actually, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4. So it's actually 2 over 3. You all agree with that? Otherwise I would have said 4 over 6, which is then 2 over 3. You all agree with that? Any confusion? No? Let's go to number 5. What needs to be done first here? Change it to improper fraction. Right, so change everything to improper fraction first. Then I can change to multiplication, tumble and times. So 15 plus 7 is 22. Is that correct? Over 15 minus 32 over 5 multiplied by tumble and times 1 over 8 plus 1 over 3. Multiplication needs to be sorted out first. 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 32 4 times. So it's 22 over 15 minus 4 over 5 plus 1 over 3. People, what's your LCM here? 15. So you multiply this by 1, that by 3, this by 5. So 22 minus 12 plus 5. What's 22 minus 12? 10 plus 5 is 15. So it's 15 over 15, which is? Who got that sum right? Nice. Go and give your work, no? Right. Have you completed already? Okay, nice. I'm glad. Number 7. What do we need to be done first? Division. So you're going to change this to multiplication, tumble and times. So it's 7 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 1 minus 3 over 5. Again, multiplication first. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. So it's going to be 7 over 2 minus 3 over 5. People, what's your LCM here? 10. So I times this by 5, times this by 2. That's going to give you 35 minus 6, which is 29 over 10. Any confusion there? let's carry on. Number 9. So what needs to be done first here? Brackets. So I don't change that yet, but I can change the improper there. So it's going to be 28. So it's going to be 33. Is that correct? Over 14 divided by. Only time I'm going to change that to multiplication, that's one term. The bracket represents one term. Not so. So that's over 1. What's my LCM here? 8. Times it by 8, so it gives me 16 minus 1. It's going to be 33 over 14 multiplied by Cumberland times. Not so? It's 8 over 11. 11 goes into 11 once, 11 goes into 33, 3 times. 2 goes into 8, 4, 2 goes into 14, 7 times. So 3 times 4 is 12 over 7. Any confusion there? Okay, we got that question right? Okay, you all okay with this? Anybody want to speak about whether we went wrong? Nobody? Okay. Monday morning probably, that's why. So what needs to be done first then? Improper fraction. So we're going to get 12, 17 plus improper there. So it will be 1 over 2 times 11 over 3 minus 7 over 3. So multiplication needs to be done first. Is there anything I can simplify there? No. So it's 17 over 6 plus 11 over 6 minus 7 over 3. People, what's the LCM here? Multiply this by 1. So it's 17. Multiplied by 1. It's 11. Multiplied by 2. Which is 4. So 11. 14 is 3. 14 over 6. Is that correct? Okay. So anything can cancel there? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So the answer is 7 over. Any confusion there? Nice. People, if there's no sign there, what is that then to be? Multiplication. So what needs to be done first? The bracket. Okay, so inside the bracket, that division, change to multiplication first. There's 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2 times 6 over 5. And here LCM, of course, not so, which is 6. This must be multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 3. So it's 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? So 7 over 6 must be multiplied. I'm going to keep this in a bracket because there's not one term yet. Okay. If we look at the multiplication, is there anything I can cancel or simplify there? Yes. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6, 3 times. So I got 2/3 minus 3 over 5. Or 3/5. People, what's your LCM here? 15. You drop the bracket. So this is multiplied by 5. This is multiplied by 3. So 5 times 2 is 10 minus 9 times 7 over 6. What is 10 minus 9? 1 over 15 times 7 over 6. Is there anything I can cancel here, people? No. So 1 times 7 is 7 and 6 times 15 is 90. Is 7 over 90. People can't understand? Any confusion there? The last question, number 50. What needs to be done first? Improper fraction. Multiply and add. So that's going to give us 10 over 1 minus, that's 12, plus 5 is 17 over 6, plus 24, 31 over 8. Is that correct? What's your LCM here? 24. So I must multiply this by 4. That you multiplied by 3. It's simply going to give us 68 plus 93. So 68 plus 93, 162, 161. 161, of course, couldn't have been even there because that's odd and even. Now, what's your LCM here? 24. So times by 24. So you only get 240 minus 161. So 240 minus 161 minus 3 is 10 is 9. So 1, 0, 13, 6, 79. Is that correct? What? Yes, 79 over 20. Everybody guys understand? Any confusion? Alright. So at this point I can stop the video now.